Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn and write essay on Makar Sankranti in English. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. Makar Sankranti is one of the prominent Hindu festivals which fall during the month of January. Second line is, this marks the entering of the sun into the zodiac of Capricorn or Makar Rashi. Third line is, the festival marks the end of the winter season and the beginning of the longer days. Fourth line is, people celebrate by flying colorful kites in the sky. Fifth line is, special food like sesame laddus and jaggery sweets are made. Sixth line is, the same festival goes by different names in various parts of India. For example, Pongal, Uttarayan and Lohri. Seventh line is, many people take sacred dips in the Ganga and Yamuna. Eighth line is, it is also celebrated as the harvest festival for farmers. Ninth line is, it is a day to thank the sun god and nature for their blessings. Tenth line is, this festival fills people's hearts with happiness, unity, and positivity.